Good afternoon. This is Tony Cherniawski, manager of the Practical Investor, LLC. Today is September the 2nd, 2009. The topic for the day is Gold Stages of Breakout. This video is meant for instruction and entertainment purposes only. This is not a solicitation to buy or sell any security. A purchase or sale of a security may result in a loss of principal. Please consult with an expert advisor who may explain the risks of any investment you may consider. You cannot invest directly in an index. Hello again. We've got some more breaking news today, and I thought I would be the first to share it with you. Most newsletters won't come out till later this afternoon. It's 3 o'clock. Hopefully, if we can get this uploaded to YouTube, we can have it out at about 3:15 and have some actionable time left in the day. What I'd like to do is just talk a little bit about gold, because in the past I've talked about it, explaining that there would be a decline this summer, followed by a rally in the fall, and I explained it as first the pain, then the gain. We had been expecting to see a pullback in gold, and instead we've seen an upward breakout of the triangle. So let's go directly to the chart and take a look at what we're discussing right now. You can see circle in red, we have a breakout of the triangle, and one of the first things that I want to say is normally, probably better than 50% of the time, we have a breakdown through the bottom of the triangle first before it reverses and breaks up. This is called a false break. Normally, Elliott wavers would refer to that as a wave E. In this particular case, we've got the wave E ending inside the triangle, and over the last few days, gold has been gaining some strength, and finally this morning broke through the top of the triangle itself. Now, let me caution about somewhere between 16 and 19% of these breakouts can be false breakouts. In other words, we might see something going back down again, but I would say that that's a very small percentage. Please understand that there's always a percentage of failure in these patterns, and I'm just listing them as a percentage, 16 to 19%. We find that in the Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns. So, having said all that, what we have here is a remarkable situation. I would feel a whole lot more comfortable once we get above 97. By the way, instead of using gold, I'm using GLD because my charts don't update until after the close of the market. I thought I'd bring this to you in a more timely fashion. So I'd like to see the charts go, rather I'd like to see gold go above roughly 970 to make sure that we're on track. And soon after that, very likely, we would see another breakout above 989 on gold. In this case, with GLD, it's 96.99, so 98.99 rather. So what we have here is a situation that has quite a lot of potential to it. Please understand, again, there's always a chance of a failure or a false breakout. But having said that, you have to take what's handed to you and work with it as best you can. So right now, the breaking news, we have a positive breakout in gold. We'd like to see it break a bit higher yet, but nonetheless, it's something that people should take note of. And I would say that the positive season for gold may have just begun. What I'd like to do is invite all of you to check out the subscription for my daily newsletter. It's $40 for the end of the quarter. Roughly, you'll get about 6 weeks of newsletter service with that, and you can't have a program without a commercial break, so this is it right now. You can reach me at tonyc@thepracticalinvestor.com, or you can go to my website, www.thepracticalinvestor.com. Check on the bar across the top where it says company, and under other services you'll see a breakdown of the newsletter. Otherwise, just contact me, tonyc@thepracticalinvestor.com. I hope all of you are having a happy and prosperous fall season, and I look forward to giving you more videos in the near future as news breaks, and I would like to see some feedback from you in terms of how you appreciate either leaving comments on the YouTube site or simply contacting me again at tonyc@thepracticalinvestor.com. Have a great end of summer and a great fall. Let's talk again as soon as we see something happening. I appreciate your time, and by all means, please do the right thing.